Hello, all. Welcome to the day 39 of the daily case study series for CBSE Grade 12. The question goes like this. To promote the making of toilets for women, an organization tried to generate awareness through three ways. First one is house calls, second one is emails, and third one is via public announcements. The cost for each model per attempt is given below. Rupees 50 for one attempt made via house call. Rupees 20 for one attempt made via email. Rupees 40 for one attempt made via announcements. House call cost is rupees 50. For email cost is rupees 20. And for announcements it is rupees 40. The number of attempts made in the villages X, Y, and Z are given below. The first row represents the village X. 400 attempts are made via house calls, 300 through emails, 100 through announcements. Same way for Y and Z. Also, the chance of making of toilets corresponding to one attempt of given model is 2%, 4%, and 20%, which means all the attempts are not successful. Only 2% are successful, which were attempted via house calls, 4% emails, and 20% via announcements. Probability of success is 2% for house call, 4% for email, and 20% for announcements. Based on the above information, solve the following questions. The first question, second question, and third question is asking us to find out the cost incurred by the organization on village XYZ. So we can do the calculation separately, or we can take it as matrices and do the matrix multiplication. To get the cost incurred, we have to multiply the number of attempts by the per attempt cost. Number of attempts is 400, 300, and 100. This is for village X. 300, 250, and 75. This is for Y. 500, 400, and 150. This is for village Z. This has to be multiplied with the per attempt cost, which is 50, 20, and 40. On multiplying these two, we get 400 times 50 plus 300 times 20 plus 100 times 40 on the first row. 300 times 50 plus 250 times 20 plus 75 times 40. In the third row, 500 times 50 plus 400 times 20 plus 150 times 40. We get 30,000, 23,000, and 39,000. So we got the answer for all the three questions. So question 1, the cost incurred by the organization on village X is 30,000. Option C. Question 2. The cost incurred by the organization on village Y is 23. Option C. Question 3. The cost incurred by the organization on village Z is 39,000. So option B. Question number 4. The total number of toilets that can be expected after the promotion in village X. We have been given with the probability of success, that is 2% for house calls, 4% for emails, and 20% for announcements. Total number of toilets expected in village X is 2% of 400 plus 4% of 300 plus 20% of 100, which is 8 plus 12 plus 20, that is 40. Answer is option C. Question 5. The total number of toilets that can be expected in village Z. Total number of toilets expected in village Z is 2% of 500 plus 4% of 400 plus 20% of 150, which is 10 plus 16 plus 30, which is 56. So the answer is option D. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.